Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Ailgely Handheld Steam Cleaner, 1050 watt, high temperature pressurized steam cleaning tool with 9 pieces accessory. Portable multifunction steamer. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Safety cap on the top and safety lock on the handle can protect you from being scalded to ensure safe use. With 1050 watt high power to generate 135 degrees Celsius high temperature, the pressure steam up to 3.0 bar, effectively removes stubborn greasy dirt and harmful substances. It will automatically power off if the water in the tank runs out. 350 ml water tank capacity. Recommend filling 250 ml with water, can provide continuous steam for about 10 minutes without adding water frequently. Only need about 3 minutes to produce pressurized hot steam quickly. Extended hose for getting into tight spaces and hard to reach areas for a through cleaning. 360 degrees rotating nozzle can clean blind spots. Comes with 9 various accessories: main engine, brush measuring cup, extended hose, scrubbing brush, straight nozzle, cleaning cloth cover, funnel window wiper, bent nozzle. Meet your different cleaning need. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.